I'm Eleanor Pomerat.
I'm Heather Rigby.
I'm Cindy Ford.
And today we're going to talk about Earth's layers. This lesson was based on Content Standard 11 of the 3rd grade pacing guide for Alabama.
And this is our Earth, and this is where we live. And the Earth has 5 layers. The inner core, the outer core,
The lower mantle, the upper mantle, and the crust. All right.
the Earth's rocky crust was solidified billions of years ago. The crust is not a solid shell. It floats along the outer mantle. The crust is the outermost layer of the Earth. It is made up of the continental crust and the oceanic crust. The oceanic crust is the smallest part of the crust, and it is made up of basalt. The continental crust is the second smallest, and it is made up of granite.
This is the mantle. The mantle has 2 parts, the upper and the lower. The upper mantle is where most of our natural occurrences happen, such as volcanoes and tectonic plates, and etc. The lower mantle plays a major role in thermal evolution of the planet. The upper mantle lies above 600 miles of the top part of the mantle. A lot of our natural phenomena start here. Touch the circles to find out. Here we have a volcano exploding. It says recent volcanic activity in many regions of the Earth is due to underlying processes in the Earth's upper mantle. This one says plate tectonics describe the large-scale reactions of Earth's lithosphere. Motions. Crustal and deep earthquakes are the result of a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust and upper mantle that creates seismic waves. Seismic waves result in our earthquakes. Okay, this is the lower mantle. The lower mantle is a portion under the 600 miles of the upper mantle. It makes up for 84% of the Earth's volume. And touch these circles to find out neat facts about it. This circle says the convection currents in the Earth's mantle is similar to that of a lava lamp. The mantle is mainly solid but can flow over long time spans. From the mantle, we get diamonds.
This is the outer core, which is going to be your 1, 2, 3, third part of the Earth. Okay? You have your crust, your mantle, which has 2 parts, the upper and lower mantles, and you have your outer core. The outer core is composed of melted iron and nickel. It has a very strong magnetic force, and it creates the Earth's magnetic field. Now, based on what we just reviewed and the picture at the beginning of this lesson, what must this last part be? As we said, there was the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and this one must be the inner core. Alright, the inner core is made up of solid iron. And it is as hot as the sun. It is also the hottest part of the earth. Here are some questions to test how well you are paying attention.
The question, they're talking about the crust and wanting to know what is the depth of the continental crust. Zero to 31 miles.
All right, next question.
What is the continental crust made of? Granite.
Okay, and for our third question, which part of the mantle is known for our natural phenomenon? The upper mantle. The mantle as a whole makes up for how much percentage of the Earth's volume? And the answer is 84.
All right, now, next question. What layer of the earth is the hottest? Now, the answer to that would be the inner core. Okay. Which layer of the earth is made of melted iron and nickel? That is going to be the outer core, because remember, the inner core is made of solid iron. These are our sources.
And we thank you for watching.